Hello everyone, we got a 2000, it's a F-250. It came with the p1151, oh no, sorry, p1151. Something about heated O2 sensor band 1, I believe. So I just want to share this fix for you. So obviously they came from another shop. They did a fuel pump and they did injectors, coils and spark plugs. But the truck, it was running on only 5 cylinders. So I did my test, checked, powers and grounds and injectors. We got noise, we got spark, we got compression, we got everything. But it was running only in 5 cylinders. So what I did is I removed the injectors, the injector rail, and I disabled each coil on both sides because I don't want to get any fire, because it's going to be squirting a lot of fuel. So I removed the fuel rail, and another guy, he was cranking the engine. So I hold the rail just to confirm the injectors they're spraying. So on this side, each injector, it was nice, smooth spray. It was really beautiful spray in each injector. But on this side, it was a little hard because there's a lot of junk. It's really hard to see, but anyway, if you work on these engines and the 5-port Triton engines, you know what I'm talking about. But if you are a new guy and you want to save some bucks, you want to do it yourself, here's my advice. Disable the coils, be smart, and if you want to confirm you got a bad injector, all you have to do is just pull the rail and once again remove the connector of each coil. So all this side and this side, so you don't have any spark because there's going to be a lot of fuel. So you need another assistant. So one guy is going to be on the truck and the other guy is going to be holding the rail here. That'd be really smart if you use some goggles or safety glasses for the fuel. So once again, once you got the injector rail out, tell the guy inside the truck, get a cranky engine and see if each injectors are working. On this side, in this case, there was only one, number 1 right here, or this one. It was the only one working. The rest, they were plugged up. So what I did is I replaced each injector on this side. So now the truck, listen, nice and smooth. It's a happy camper right now. It's good to go. They were about $200 for all 4. So I hope you like it. Maybe it's not the best video here because I was a little busy. I was trying to record it, but we have a lot of fuel and I don't want to get any static. That'd be really dangerous, but just play smart, be safe, and I hope you like it. I hope it's been useful. Once again, thanks guys for watching my videos.